Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing excellent. Today we will see grammar part, and in the grammar part we will see lesson number 14. Lesson number 14 is kinds of adjective. We have seen in the last lecture, we have seen the pronouns. Okay, now here we are seeing the kinds of adjectives. What is meant by adjective? In the parts of speech, we have learned the adjective also. So what is adjective? Adjectives, a word that describes a noun or pronoun. I repeat, a word that describes noun or pronoun. Word that describes naming word, noun और या तो pronoun को जब describe करता है, gives the additional meaning in the noun is called adjective. It's called adjective. For example, Abhi is a good boy. What is the definition? Describes noun or pronoun. Noun के बारे में और pronoun के बारे में क्या बता रहा है? यहाँ पर pronoun नहीं है, यहाँ पर noun है. Noun के बारे में क्या बता रहा है? Noun is Abhi. How is Abhi? Abhi is a good boy. That good is an adjective. Okay, so in this way, clever, kind, slippery, tall, beautiful, naughty, these words, etc. words are called adjective. Telling something about that noun, or if it is pronoun is there, those words are called adjective. Okay, so we will see the types of adjective. There are in our book, there are 8 types of adjective. First one is a adjective of quality. Quality, it shows quality. Okay, adjective of quantity. Quantity, numbers. How much quantity? Few, little, 3, 4, 5. That is not 3, 4, 5. The quantity is how much. Okay, and the number is 3, 4, 5, first, second, third. That is adjective of number. Demonstrative adjective, we have learned in the pronoun, demonstrative pronouns, right? The same adjective is also demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives. The sixth one is possessive adjective, attributive adjectives, and predicative adjectives. These are the types of adjective. Now, one by one, in all the types of adjective, we will see in detail. Now we will see the detail one by one. That is the first one we'll see attributive. The kinds of adjectives are there. The first one is attributive adjectives. What is meant by attributive adjective? What is the definition of attributive adjectives here? Adjectives that are placed before the noun. I repeat, adjectives that are placed before the nouns, they are called attributive adjectives. Okay, for example, a mouse has a long tail. A mouse has a long tail. A mouse. Adjectives that are placed before the noun. Okay, before the noun, which is, okay, first of all, you have to find out that which is adjective in that. Okay, which is adjective in that? This is a long. Which is, this is a long. Where is long? Here is a noun, and is a long is adjective. Here, students. Students are noun here. The students are noun here, and the naughty is telling about. Adjective tells something about noun is called an adjective. So first one, the adjective is telling about a noun. Noun is a mouse. Okay, noun is mouse. Telling about mouse what? The noun is a tail. Here telling the subject. Tail. Tail is also noun. Telling the long tail. Mouse has a long tail, and students now telling something, telling about the noun. So students, how the students are there? Naughty is there. So here is the adjective. So what is the definition? Attributive adjectives, adjectives that are placed before the noun. Before the noun is called attributive adjective. First of all, you have to find out which is adjective, and in that you just have to find that where the place is. Okay, so before the noun is called the attributive adjective. Students, how is students? Telling something about the students in naughty. So these adjectives are called attributive adjectives. Okay, now dear students, now the second is predicative adjective. Predicative adjective, that is predicative adjectives. What is in the predicative adjective? Adjective that are placed after the verb. After the verbs are called predicative adjectives. First of all, adjective. Find out adjective. Which is adjective over here? The adjective is telling about noun, kind. Kind is adjective. In this second, he looks upset. Upset. He telling about something about noun means adjective, that is upset. He looks upset. So these are the adjectives. So which type of adjectives are there? Predicative adjective. Why predicative adjective? Because the definition is there, placed after the noun, after the verb. This is before the noun. See, before. This is noun before the noun. Noun before the noun. Okay. So here the telling after the verbs. Which is verb? Is the verb. So after the verb is an adjective. So these verbs, this adjective, see, looks is a verb. The verb, action. Okay. So after that we are finding out the adjectives. So this is a predicative adjective. Come to third, that is adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality. Quality, you know, with wow, what a nice quality. If you see any dress or any furniture or any fruits, if you go, yeah, ये ना अच्छे quality के fruits हैं. So that shows the quality. Okay, so adjectives of quality tells about what kind. Tells about what kind. If you are asking what kind of, see, wow, nice dress. Which type of dress? Nice dress. So talks about the quality. The adjectives of quality talks about the quality and tells about what kind of that now. Okay, so in which deep, rich, poor, calm, bright, slippery. This, if you are saying, see, that is he is a very bright boy. Bright is a quality. It's a very clever boy. He is a very calm boy. That floor is very slippery. So telling about the quality. That hotel, what type of hotel is that? Luxurious hotel. So telling about quality is called the adjective of qualities. For example, this is a new book. This is a new book. Telling about book, what? New book. Okay, so that is a quality. Now, the building is old. Telling about noun. How it is? What telling about noun? Building. How is building? What kind of building is there? The building is old. So adjectives of quality tells about what kind. Okay. Now we'll come to fourth topic, that adjective of number. Easy. Number, showing the number, exact number. Okay, see, tells about how many. You know, dear children, how much and how many. How much we always use for uncountable nouns. How many we always use for countable nouns. So, adjective of number, number is always countable. So, how many tells about how many. See, is used countable nouns. Number is always used with countable noun. See, she is 10 years old. 10 years, countable, adjective of number. I need 2 hours. I need 2 hours. How many? How many hours? 2 hours. So, I need 2 hours to complete the work. So, here adjectives of number tells about how many. Okay, now we go to fifth, that is adjectives of quantity. Quantity, how much quantity you need? If we go to grocery shop, we ask 1 kg of this sugar or whatever you want. So, how much quantity? Kitna hai? So, it tells about how much. Quantity we always use for uncountable nouns. Okay, are used for uncountable nouns. How many countables? How much? Uncountable. So, little, any, I want little water. I want little sugar. Uncountable. So, how much? So, little, any, many, sufficient, whole, any is comes under the adjectives of quantity. For example, I ate some rice for lunch. I ate how much rice you ate? How much? Some. Tells how much. How much you ate? Some. All students are waiting for sir. All students. How? Actually, all students are. How many students are there? How much? Means we can say how many, but it is not countable. Or we can say few students are. All students are. In this way, all students are waiting for sir. These are the example of adjective of quantity. Now we will see the next, that is sixth one. Now we will see sixth one, that is demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives point out noun. Point out noun. We are showing them. We have learned in the last lecture, that is in the demonstrative pronoun, demonstrative interrogative pronouns. The same, the pointing out. Means these, that, these, those, when we are pointing out, that is called the demonstrative adjectives. Okay, demonstrative adjectives point out pronoun, these, that, these, those. For example, this pen was gifted to me. This pen, telling about, now describing now which pen. This pen was gifted to me. Demonstrative adjective. These mangoes are sweet. These mangoes are sweet. So these are called demonstrative adjectives. Okay, telling about mango, which these mangoes. Okay, now the last lecture we have seen the pronouns. Which pronouns? The demonstrative pronouns. And that time also we are saying these, that, though, that, those, the same words were there, right? So then what is the difference? If both the sentences, if all together the sentences are coming, how you will find out the difference between the demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronouns? Here I have written my students. This is my book. Pay attention. This is my book. This. Okay. Pay attention here. This is my book. Demonstrative pronoun. Why this is demonstrative pronoun? I am saying, pay attention dear children, the difference between demonstrative pronoun, demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun. Now here I say, this is my book. This demonstrative pronoun. Why this is the demonstrative pronoun? Because this has come before the verb. These, that, these words, these words, when comes before verb. Which is verb in this sentence? Is a verb in this sentence. Is a verb in this sentence. When before the verb, when this comes, that is a comes, that is a demonstrative pronoun. Now, demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative pronoun, we are seeing the demonstrative difference between demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective. Now, here also these, that, those words are there. Now, see, this book is mine. Now, which is demonstrative, whether this is demonstrative pronoun or whether this is demonstrative adjective. So, this is demonstrative adjective. This is a demonstrative adjective. Why? Because this demonstrative adjective describing book. Describing book. This book. Here is a verb. Before the verb when it comes, that is a pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, and when it describes, that is a demonstrative adjective. Okay, I hope dear students you have understood. We move to the seventh one, the next one, that is interrogative adjectives. Interrogative. What is interrogative? These are the WH word. WH means we ask question. WH words which help to ask questions. What is your name? Which is your class? Where do you live? In this way, WH questions. Okay. Now, for example, those books are those books are, whose books, sorry, whose books are these? Whose, WH question. Whose books are these? Which route should we follow? See, with the help as to ask question. Whenever we see that there is a interrogative adjective. Here also we'll see the difference between adjective means interrogative adjective and an interrogative pronoun that we have seen in the last lecture. See, now here I have given the difference. Which book is yours? Which, here the WH question. Which, here also which, WH question, is yours. Whether this which is demonstrative pronoun or a demonstrative adjective. So this is the describes a noun. Describes noun, the same thing. Describes a noun. So interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective. And when it comes before verb, the same thing. Before verb, that is called a interrogative pronoun. I hope, dear children, you have understood this. Now we will see the next one, the last one, that is possessive adjectives. Possessive belongs, owns. Okay, that is, suppose if I am saying that this is my car. Okay, that is my. That is possessive. Okay, adjectives we show who possess or who belongs something are called possessive adjectives. For example, we got a ride in his car. In his, whose car? In his car. So that is a possessive adjectives. Telling about whose car. We got a ride in his car. Okay, so their car. They have found their kitten. They have found their kitten. This is a possessive pronoun. What we have learned, dear children, here in this, so we have seen what is adjective. Adjective describes. Noun is called the adjectives. The types of adjective, which type of adjective we have seen, the 7 types of adjectives we have seen. Attributive adjective, predicative adjective, the adjective of quantity, adjective of quality, number, the adjective of number, possessive adjectives. What we have seen again, the interrogative adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, with all examples we have seen. And we have seen one more, that is interrogative adjectives, difference between interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjective. And we have seen one more, that is a demonstrative difference between demonstrative adjective and a demonstrative pronoun. I hope, dear children, you might have understood this lesson. You revise this lesson once again. Thank you.